I love florals, and the vibrant, beautiful colors just attracted me to something completely different to what we normally do. Normal moss projects are green and using brown and natural colors, so I thought this was going to be a good change. And being in California, I thought of the California poppy, and that was where I started. A friend approached me, and they're having a gala dinner for a charity at the flower field in Carlsbad, and they needed some objects for a live auction. And so that's really where it all started. I found images of poppies and just went crazy from there. So once I started the project, I realized that you can only get a few oranges and yellows, and decided that we should try and dye our own moss. And it worked out incredibly well. You can get all the different tones that you can't buy in standard stores. Absolutely. I would like to carry on and try to do quite a few more different designs. You could do, it's limitless in the design. It's very exciting. I've been working with moss for 5-6 years now, and it is a fun material to work with, and especially now that we can offer any color for any design. I think so. You get to be way more creative and expressive, and yeah, I'm really excited to get going on a lot more designs. I think boutique hotels, I think people's homes, especially if we can design anything that they want. I think really it could be used absolutely anywhere. Not just another piece of greenery in your home. It can live alongside the greenery and just become its own focal point altogether.